Cut the nails after washing them. And then put the ginger, onions, and sea dry peppers into the pot with the chicken feet and cold water, and then use cold water to boil. Yolk them. And then dump the seasoning sauce while you're boiling. And get the dirty stuff out after boiling. These stuffs need to throw in the pan to fry it later on. Dump the chicken feet water out and wash it by hot water. Dump some onion oil on the pan and dump all these ingredients into the pan and fry them by little fire. Dump the abalone sauce, key oyster sauce into the frying pan and fry it.
烧热好像放差不多行。没少。
Add some soy sauce while you're frying. Add less water in there, since the water color is not very deep enough. So add some mushroom flavor, super red dark sauce in there. After boiling 20 minutes, or take all the waste in the pot out. And put the chicken feet that have been washed into the frying pan. Use small fire to disaggregate the water. Some salt, black pepper, and Zhaoxing wine. And stop boiling, and when it's for little fire for 40 minutes. Turn on a big fire and collect the sauce and serve.